How's it going, guys? Money Badger here, and today I'm going to be reacting to roasting popular MMOs. I don't know why, but apparently this video is very cringy and weird. So let's get into it.
Hello everybody. My name is Popular MMO Stacks.
What?
And today I'm going to be roasting.
What? And then oh my god, this is weird.
Gaming X.
Who's Gaming X? In the comments below if you know who Gaming X is, because I thought this is a roasting of popular MMOs. Is it? Oh, it might not. His channel is Popular MMO Sucks, but he's roasting somebody else. Alright, let's watch it anyways, because it's weird.
Yeah, his friend, Gaming Cosgin, is...
His thing is gave me Cosgin. What?
Friend. I'm gonna be just roasting Gaming X in this video, and maybe another real video you got.
What? He said, okay, I understood. I'm gonna be roasting Gaming X in this video, and then it was... Look at this. Look at this. Like what?
Cosgin is his friend. I'm gonna be just roasting Gaming X in this video, and maybe another real video you got.
What?
Gaming on gaming.
Yeah. While he's hitting a pan. Whatever.
I'm not going to show my face because it's going to be charged if I
He just said I'm not going to show my face. Oh, he's not showing his face because he doesn't want to be roasted. I heard that.
But first of all, he's doing Gaming X.
Gaming X. Makes no sense. And he hit a pan at the same time again.
Gaming for life or something like.
Gaming's for life. Yeah. Up high, mate. Up high, Gaming X, whoever you are. And we gotta do this every time he hits a pan.
The heck? Well, it's Gaming for life. It's Gaming X. What the heck does that stand for?
Gaming X.
X death? Does X? Because I think it X into.
I know it now. It's like Gaming 7 because it's Roman numerals. Maybe.
Death or something like that. They're gonna die. Gaming die or something?
Gaming die? What? Beginning.
Basically, what his name means. Like, wow, what the heck?
How does Gaming X mean gaming die? There's a big difference between X and die.
Making it sound as I go away. I'm being all stiff right now. I told him to do that.
What? Everybody go away right now. I'm gonna be a skiff. Go away.
And also, like, his video is so weird, dude. He's always just like, he's like he used to do.
Did he just slap his face? He was like, it's so weird, dude. So weird. That's so weird, man.
Yeah, it's just so weird, dude. And
his videos are weird.
He had a blue background. Like, he had so silent videos with a
blue background. Okay. At first, I thought that this was popular MMOs, but it's actually this guy, Gaming X, so I have no idea if he does have a blue background. But who cares?
Background, like, the color blue? It's kind of like, what the heck, dude? Like, why is you, like, with so black?
This guy's colorist. He's got a problem with colors. But, yeah, well, guess what? I have a problem with your colors. Your background, you don't even have a background. It's just a black screen. Oh! Roasted. Roasted in a roasting video.
It's so weird, dude. Like he finds stuff in the background, and Jacksepticeye's dad did, like, bruh, what the heck?
Why is he talking about Jacksepticeye's dad? What? This guy's a stalker. He stalks Jacksepticeye's dad. Jacksepticeye! You're being stalked! Well, your dad's being stalked! Save yourself! We won't live in Ireland! I'll save you!
So bad. And also, he's really ugly. His hair is like It's like it's like a volcano or something. It's like a rusted on.
How's his hair like a?
Weird, you know what I mean? So yeah, these blessings be.
Nobody knows what you mean.
So yeah, yeah. Bye.
How is his hair like a volcano? How is it? Hang on. Well, I'm gonna look up this Gaming X guy. Okay, I found Gaming X. Shout out to Gaming X, because I'm showing one of your videos.
Welcome back to the vlogger, right? So today we're going to be discussing a new kind of vlog, a new camera. I know, guys. So this is going to be a new camera.
Okay, already that sort of cringes me. That already sort of cringes me. Maybe if I go into a different one, like a Minecraft video, makes sense for me.
Hey guys, welcome back to a video. We are back. Another high pixel.
Okay,
guys.
There's a lot of lag in this. Okay, I have no idea. I can't watch that video because there's just too much lag. It's not moving on my iPod. But, well, I'm not gonna judge him. I'm gonna judge him because I don't want to. Don't like judging people. But yeah, that guy is pretty screwed up. Leave a link for that video. I will leave a link for that video in the bottom description below, whatever. Shout out to Ali Osman Ultra Shaders, because he makes really good Minecraft videos. I will be making Minecraft videos soon. Subscribe to Ali Osman, and yeah, leave in the comments if you understood that video, everything in that video. I will give you a Guinness World Record. And, leave in the comments what my sort of outro should be. I have no idea. I'm just going to say bye for now.